What's up everybody, today I'm going to wash the Mitsubishi Lancer and I'm going to show you what products I'm going to use. So I'm going to use the 2 bucket method and I'm going to use this foam cannon with a pressure washer. I'm going to use shampoo for the car and I'm going to use this car shampoo because if you use the shampoo that you use to clean the dishes, that is going to damage the clear coat of the car. So yes, I'm going to use car soap or car shampoo. I'm going to use this brush for the wheels and a microfiber towel right here, a tip brush and the adapters for the pressure washer. In this bucket I have a cleaning tire product, this for washing the car, this is a drying towel, and I have this grill right here to trap the dirt behind the grill. So yes, I'm going to use this brush for the wheels. So yes, now I'm going to apply the product for the tires, for cleaning the tires. Now I need to leave it like that, like 30 seconds, and then wash it with the pressure washer. So now I'm going to clean the wheel with the brush and the foam cannon. So now I'm gonna leave it like that a little bit, and then I'm going to snow foam again the car, and then I'm going to wash it. And I'm going to use linear motions like this, not circular, linear. So now to dry our motions, and yes, and do not forget to clean all the inside parts of the doors. Okay, now that the tires are dry, I'm going to put tire shine in it. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.